Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to Droid Therapy. Last month, WhatsApp beta users were tipped off about a new feature that would give the group admins the right to restrict the messages from non-admin members. Although the update hasn't been made public yet, some users are able to access it via some modded versions of WhatsApp. The feature called Send Message on a Group allows only admin to send the messages. Non-admin participants cannot send messages in such restricted groups. It's an interesting addition, but you should stay away because using an upcoming feature without the requisite permission is illegal and WhatsApp can remotely track users who do so. Detection can cause the user to get banned from WhatsApp. Warnings were given out by the popular tipster and WhatsApp beta tester WA Beta Info after some users reported being able to access the feature. He wrote that it's not safe to enable the send messages now and advised users to stick to the WhatsApp's official version. Besides, he said that the feature would be released very soon and asked users to wait a bit longer. So friends, even if you're keen to try it, it's best to wait till the official release. So that's it guys, if you like my video give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next video.